also known as a little. I'm sorry, that was so funny. See the Parrot Cockatoo, also known as a little Corella. That was so funny. That was so funny. I try not to like laugh because he takes it so seriously, like he actually really does. But it's so funny. I know, he did it like with it. Yeah, he is pretty cool coordinating. And you can see I'm not doing anything. There's nobody else, like, and I'll flip it around. There's nobody else in his room. That's him on his own. That's what he does. That's why I was like, yeah. That was amazing. But like, I'm just in the background cracking up, and I'm trying not to. If I wasn't in the background cracking up, I would clip that. That was pretty good.